Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a Squarespace website after publishing. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Squarespace website. After navigating, you'll have to just choose the site that you want to edit. So click on go to website button just after any website that you want to edit. After that, you will see that website on this page. Here, you'll have to just click on this edit button at the top left of this site and you'll be able to edit this site anyhow you want even after publishing. Because publishing your site doesn't mean that you won't be able to edit it. You can simply click on the edit button at the top left of the screen and navigate to the section that you want to edit. After doing that, you would have successfully edited your site on Squarespace. Now you can also navigate to pages and you'll be able to edit your pages anyhow you want. So simply click on the edit button at the top left and as you can see, I'm able to edit these sections on my site pretty easily. You can edit the footer, you can edit the text, background, the text style, font, images and videos that will be uploaded on your site. Now, after doing the editing, click on exit and save your changes in order to publish them. Now, you can also navigate to pages section and edit the info, home and all the sections or pages that will be available for your website on Squarespace. So, the simple way to do this is navigating to the published site, clicking on the edit button at the top left of that site and you'll be able to edit your site that'll be already published. So, that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.